This is Robert from Parastream Technologies. If you're the owner of a CX-3 that needs repair, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the power supply from your CX-3 so you can send it to us for repair. All you'll need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. To get inside, we must remove these 3 screws from the back and these 4 screws from the top. Alright, now that all of the screws are loose, let's set them aside together so we can keep them with the top part when we're done. Now you should be able to lift the top part off and expose the insides. Now we're going to remove the power supply from the Korg CX-3. It's actually very simple. There are 2 connectors and 4 screws. The first connector is the power mains connector, which is here, and then we have the DC out power connector, which is here. You will notice on the right side of this connector there's a little tab. So if you push that in, it'll release the connector and you can pull it out. And the DC connector, it simply pulls out. Now that the connectors are out of the way, we simply remove the screws. Once the screws are off, it should just lift out and away. And there it is.